Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to fix the "this type of message isn't supported yet" error on Instagram. This issue usually happens when you're using Instagram Lite because some messaging features are not fully supported there. Let's go step by step to fix it. First, open the Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for Instagram Lite. If there's an update available, go ahead and update the app. After updating, open it again and check if the issue is fixed. If you're still seeing the error, try switching to the official Instagram app instead of Instagram Lite. Some features only work properly on the full version. Another common fix is to turn off disappearing messages. To do this, open the chat where you're facing the issue. Tap on the person's name at the top of the screen. Now, look for the disappearing messages option. If it's turned on, simply disable it. After that, go back to the chat and try sending your message again. In many cases, this will fix the problem instantly. And that's it. That's how you can fix the message not supported error on Instagram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.